afternoon. This call is number 2013-66978 in the interest of Sabrina Diania Pettis. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name's Amy Escalante, and I'm the mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Perard.
All right. Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Lorenzo Williams Perez, is not present. He was personally served on December 20th, 2021 at 7:52 a.m. and he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, at this time, the state would ask you to take judicial notice of the underlying order titled Agreed Order in Suit Affecting the Parent-Child Relationship, which was signed on or about February 3rd of 2014, which is the order that we are attempting to modify.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. And at this time, the state would call Ms. Escalante. Ma'am, in regards to your child support obligation, in the prior order from 2014, you and Mr. Perez were both minors. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And so at that time, child support was set nominally at $100 and medical at $25 because of Mr. Perez specifically being a minor, correct?
Yes.
And since then, it's been more than 3 years since that order's been done, and Mr. Perez is no longer a minor, which therefore qualifies for a change in material change in circumstances, and also a change of 20% or $100 in the current child support amount. Is that correct?
Yes.
It's increasing essentially. And in regard from that prior order, we are requesting a child support judgment in the amount of $1,558.33 as of May 31st, 2022, to be paid back at a rate of $50 per month beginning July 1st of 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're also requesting a medical support judgment in the amount of $1,404.37 as of May 31st, 2022, to be paid back at a rate of $50 per month beginning July 1st of 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
And in that prior order, there was no dental support previously ordered, and so there is an arrears of $0 as of May 31st, 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
In regards to the modification, we have no wage information for Mr. Perez, so we are using the minimum wage presumption in setting the support. And how is this child covered by insurance?
Medicaid.
We're going to order you to maintain that government medical assistance. Mr. Perez does not have any other children that we are aware of. Therefore, we'll be ordering him to pay medical support in the amount of $57 beginning July 1st, 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
And giving him credit for the cost of that health insurance. His child support will be modified to $217 beginning July 1st of 2022. Is that your understanding and agreement?
Yes.
Now, in regard to the non-disclosure finding, Mr. Perez, at some point, even in your prior order, both of your addresses were included in that order, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, at some point down the road, Mr. Perez has asked us for a non-disclosure finding. You don't have any reason there's no criminal record pending where you're the perpetrator against him, is there?
No, ma'am.
No protective order?
No, ma'am.
So, but you are willing to just leave his information out of the court order just because it doesn't really bother you to not have his information. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. That concludes the order, Your Honor. I pass my witness.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Escalante, you've signed the order. You're free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You doing the Garcia matter?
I am, Judge.
This call is number 2015-00941 in the interest of Jasmine Nayeli Garcia. Court will note that the custodial parent, Mercedes Nicole Borrego, is not present. She was personally served on January 6th, 2022. at 4309 Glenwood Avenue, 3302 in Deer Park, Harris County, Texas, and she has not filed an answer or appeared. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Court will also note that the non-custodial parent, Raul Garcia, is not present. He was personally served at 4250 Highway 202, Garza, West Beeville, B County, Texas, at 8 a.m. on January 13th, 2022. And he has not made an appearance or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, this time, the state would offer an evidence states Exhibit 1, which is a true and correct copy of the financial record involved in this case.
All right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Your Honor, the state would also ask you to take judicial notice of the underlying order which we are modifying, which is an order in suit for modification signed on or about December 20th of 2016.
Court will note. So note.
Thank you, Your Honor. And pursuant to that prior order, there was current support of $312 and medical of $80. Mr. Garcia is currently incarcerated in TDCJ with a projected release date of 2023. Therefore, the state is requesting to confirm his arrears pursuant to State's Exhibit 1 and order no payout on those arrearages and then modify his obligations to zero. The state is requesting a child support judgment in the amount of $20,502.53 as of May 31st, 2022. A medical support judgment in the amount of $2,540.58 as of May 31st, 2022. A dental support judgment of zero as of May 31st. Continuing with the prior order, the mother was ordered to maintain government medical assistance for the child. That order will remain in place. As for the child support and medical support, the medical support amount will be modified to zero July 1st of 2022. The child support will be modified to zero beginning July 1st of 2022. And that concludes the order, Your Honor. State rests.